Hello YouTube, here I have the Land Rover Defender 24 volts 4x4 license body. Really incredible details. Look at these wheels, disc brake, caliper in red, doors that actually opens and close really easily. Do the same on both. Really good scaled model. This portion right here you can lift just with a press of a button. Mechanized, goes back. It comes with a remote control. The functions here: lights on and off, lower and raise the bucket, high, low speed, forward, stop, reverse, power indicator, music, and 24 volts indication there. Bluetooth mode, music. You got it. Have it all. Also in the steering wheel, Land Rover right here. Have a horn, and you can turn the music on right here. This is where you charge. Input goes right here, this charging port. Seat belts for 2 kids. The big size battery goes right here, 2 screws holding it in place. Got some dust here because we were playing around here. You see on the full review. Mirrors, nice windshield as well, lights in the back, big solid plastic bumper, realistic look. Look at this. This is so cool. It is indeed an impressive car, lots of details. I want to flip this for a minute here so you can see in the bottom 4 motors. You have 1 motor in each wheel. Right here in the front, the connections, all of this metal mechanism here, duct covering all the wires that goes in the back. Really cool design. Wheels with the Land Rover logo right there. So not hard at all to put together. It was an easy assembly, and that's it. That's the brand new Land Rover Defender licensed vehicle. Hope that you enjoy Anthony reviewing this like I did with him while playing. This is a real honest review. We buy and sell these cars all the time to give honest real life experience. Thank you very much, and I see you in the next one. Bye. Here's the box for the Land Rover Defender. Look how nice this is. Really well packaged, like you can see. We'll take all the components and lay in the ground so we see how much work will be needed. Nice manual right here. We'll take a look on how to build. Look, Anthony just got here. Got a new car, Anthony.
What color?
Yeah, it's white. See?
White?
Right here, it's white. Let's put together, okay?
But what this car they doing?
Ah, that's a Land Rover.
I'm gonna get that.
Look at this really highly detailed model. Defender Land Rover licensed vehicle. Nice headlights. Look at the details on the wheels. Really cool. Rubber right here. All wheels have this fake disc brakes and calipers. And this is the amount of parts. 2 motors here. There is already a motor mounted in the back, so it's a total of 4 motors. Defender logo in the trunk. It's gonna be mounted right here. Seats, lights, front bumper, steering wheel. Really cool. And then the wheel covers as well. Not too many parts. Gonna come out very quick. Also includes a remote control, charger, 24 volts. First step, remove these 2 screws right here, lift the hood up, and then you see the really nice big size 24 volts battery. The controller, the speed controller, is also a nice massive speed controller right there. 24 volts, big speakers. This car is really cool. This is the controller for the lights right here. This car is complete. So now just attach this cable to this one, and this is it. Put this cover back on and then flip the car to start doing the under assemblies. First piece to install is this metal rod right here. Goes right here. This is what is going to steer the vehicle right there. Then get this metal assembly here. Take the screws and the nuts that will be right here. Flip this over, and then it goes. It's gonna be hard to do it with one hand right here and right here, just like so. Oh no, this is in the other way. Then you assemble this on top right here. See, now if the steering mechanism is working right here, make sure you put this rod through this hole. If you don't, it's not gonna work. Then down here, put your nut and your washer back, one in each side. Then we're gonna do this step. Get this block, goes all the way here, one in each side. Total of 6 screws each. So do those screws. Right here in the back, after you put all of those screws in, just insert this long bar, just like so. Then get your wheels in. Don't forget to get your motor aligned. So this motor here needs to go right here. So put this way and get the motor right here, just like so. See? Do the same thing for the other side. Get this right here. That's how it looks. So you have a little bit here, a little bit here. And then after that, you're gonna do the tires, 2 tires. And then in the other side, we will assemble the connectors. Like it shows right here. Connectors in the other side, wheels, wheel cover, nut, and cap. Then you do the same thing for the front. The front will require the motors, which are right there. When adding these 2, you need these 2 tools right here, because as you're tightening these nuts, this rod's gonna spin. So you need to secure one side and screw in the other side too. Now we have both wheels mounted. We'll do this wheel cover. Oh, Land Rover right there as well. Line these pins right here. Doing it with one hand is not easy, but oh, looks nice. So let's do the same thing right here. Get these pins aligned. There you go. Land Rover, beautiful wheels, really cool. Doing the front, pay attention, left, align to left, right to right, and then put the motor through this metal piece right here, just like that. Then make the connection right here. Both sides like this. Get a really cool fancy wheel. Insert right here. Then washer. Nut. Tie this really well. Then do your wheel cover. And once we do that, we will install a couple more pieces under the car and then flip it over to do the rest. Pay really good attention to this part right here. You need this piece. That's how it goes. This underneath goes up. You need these 2 pieces as well. Lots of screws, like you can see here. But there you go. We will add this piece first, then the other 2 to lock in place. Make all the screws here. Flip the car over, put some more screws in, and then we're gonna do the bed. That's how it looks once you put everything in place. So this is under the car. This is the position. 3 screws here, 2 here. We'll flip this over and we'll add a couple of more screws to secure this black part in place. We're gonna do this right now and then we will do that. At this stage here, you have all the screws in. This is the back of the vehicle. You need to install these 2 plastic pieces. Just put it in place, flip it over, and do 2 screws here, 2 screws there. Then we'll get the entire bed, put on top of here, and do these 4 screws right here, maybe some more. All right, so I put the door right here. So this is still, needs 4 screws right here. Then get these pins, and it goes right here to secure the bed in place. So I'm not gonna do it with one hand, so just put this in here, both sides, do it here as well, then do the 4 screws right there. Now I have everything in place, and I just found out that you can actually activate this. How cool is that? Go back and forth. Really nice. Do it, Anthony. Nice job. Assembling the steering wheel, 4 screws right here in the back. Make sure you connect this connector right here. Put the logo from Land Rover to be like this position. Can you do this for me, Anthony?
Yes.
No, yeah, just hold it. No, click it here.
I can click it right there.
Yeah, you can do it.
What is this?
I hold it for you, and you do it, okay?
Wait, this.
You got it?
Yes. No,
More or less, right? You're getting there.
but that.
Good job.
And now, look.
Don't forget to put your long screw through. Align the hole. If you can't find the hole, just come under here. And then push this up. And then the holes will align, and then you put the screw through this hole right here. Not difficult at all. Seats are really easy. Just put this piece in place. Screw goes here, screws right there. And then there are 4 screws all the way across this way, just like so. I assume the screws that goes here is probably a longer screw. So let's check this out. No, it's all M420s and M14 screw. So the M14 is these ones, are these ones. So these ones goes right here. Time to do the front bumper. Oh, look at this chrome right here. So cool. For this, we'll need this piece, 2 of these pieces right here. Go somewhere in here. We'll find out. The other one here. Then you have 4 screws each. And later we will attach in the front of the car, just like that. So 4, and then 2 screws to attach to the front of the car. After that, we'll do these pieces, which are just clicked in place, and the mirrors, which are also just clicked in place. Front bumper install, screw here, and it only clicks in place down here and down here. And look at this impressive front end, really cool. So this is it, fully assembled. Really cool LED lights right here. Nice bumpers, cool wheels, doors. Nice mechanism here to lower the bed. You can open the bed as well. One click, goes up. Door. How do you open the door? Right here. Same goes right here. Yeah, stay tuned. This was just a how to assemble vehicle, and we'll do a full review with Anthony. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Here come Anthony, 4 years old, Land Rover Defender license. What a beautiful car. 4x4, lots of power. We just noticed how it climbs in the grass. Just take a closer look right there. That's Anthony going all the way over there and going down. It's a beautiful afternoon. You're having fun. I'm gonna get you. You better run. You better run. I'm gonna get you. Run, run, run. I'll get you, Anthony. I'll get you. Ah! He's running fast. Be careful with the cars, okay? I will. I'm tired. I can't keep on running.
Hey! Oh, oh! Stop!
Bye-bye.
No hands.
Bye, bye, bye.
Safety first.